Hello everyone, this printer is Canon Pixma MG2450. It's a multifunctional printer. What I want to do is to show you how to install or replace the ink cartridges. Open ink access door, then you wait for the ink holder to move and position itself. The colored ink goes to the left, the black goes to the right. To remove ink cartridges, just put one finger on top of each ink cartridge, pull it down. So this is how to remove the ink. If you want to put it back, this printer uses ink cartridges. 546 is colored one, 545 is black, BG 545 black, CL 546 color. This chip part or contact part need to go inside. Once it's in, then pull it up. Then take the black ink cartridge, go in, then pull it up. Then close the cover. Then you wait. Give the printer time to recognize the ink. The light will highlight, and once the light stops, it will recognize the ink. If there's any issue with the ink cartridges, a warning light will be highlighting on the panel. A warning light will be highlighting the black or color if there's any issue with the ink. So this is how to install and replace the ink cartridges. Thank you very much indeed.